Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a caps lock indicator not working Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that first of all, in the search box type a on screen keyboard. So open a on screen keyboard. Now check the caps lock. If your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows, and after that go to your accessibility, and after that go to your keyboard. Now if any toggle keys is if on, then turn off it. So in my case is already turned off, so if it is on, then turn off it, close it. After that I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that right click on a device, on a start menu, and go to your device manager. After opening the device manager, go to your keyboard, select the keyboard, right click on update driver, and click the search automated from drivers. And after that, close it. And after that, I hope restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer, your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that right click on a start menu, go to your device manager. After opening the device manager, go to your keyboard and right click on a keyboard and uninstall the device. After uninstalling the device, restart your computer and once again reinstall the device, and after that I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.